Hey, welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my videos. We are bringing you tips and helps, and even helps for small business owners and or ministries. We love doing the videos. So, we ask you to subscribe, share, and go below and connect with us on our social media channels. This is James, and I love having you here. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to bringing you more info. So make sure you share. We will be right back and bring you the info for this video. I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to JPEG. I recently ran into this with a startup business I'm with. We've been scanning from the printer, and we haven't got the printer set up for straight to JPEG yet, so we've been scanning from the printer. It goes to PDF, but we need it in JPEG or PNG form, the images. So I came up with this solution until we get the right program and the settings on the printer. So I figured I would just do a video on this of how to actually convert a PDF to JPEG. So one of the easiest ways that I always go to when I need things, if you use Chrome, this is specifically for Chrome users, in which Chrome use is one of the biggest browsers out there, and I believe Firefox probably has some extensions too. But go to the web store, and in the web store you can actually get almost anything you need, just about. I'm sorry, apps. Okay, let's try this again. It's not wanting to go. There we go. For some reason it didn't want to go. So it's called I Love PDF, which I already have it on my browser. So in fact, let me just go. I'm going to go back out here. You're going to see the behind the scenes look. Where'd it go? There it is. I'll turn it off. That way it doesn't act like it's on. It should come up. Okay. Oh, yeah, there it is. I love PDF. So sorry about that. Let me go back in and turn it on. I was looking at something. It used to look like something else. So then you will download it. Like this has it right here. You add to Chrome, it'll come up and it'll be right there. So then once you have a PDF, then you can convert it to JPEG. So we'll pull up the file. Okay, once you have it installed, as I said, it will be up in this extension. You click that, and of course this has all different types of things you can do. Merge PDF. If you have several PDF files, you can merge them together, split it, compress, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, and so on. But what we want is the PDF to JPEG. So we will select that. Then we just select the PDF files, and wherever you save the PDF in, of course I know where it is on my computer. Okay. We will upload that. Okay, and there they are. Okay, page to JPEG. Click. Now convert to JPEG. Then you download. We'll go ahead and export. Just name that and it's automatic, and then you can edit it however you want it, and that is JPEG. It's that simple. So please drop your comments in below this video. Also, if you would, please do a like, subscribe, and just drop your channel in so I can subscribe to it. So thank you for watching, and have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.